and also when you find it, probably if you go too aggressive, you have like 1 week. So the only way to do this, it was to partner with someone.
So how did the joint venture, how did the JV look with you and your partner? Like, was it just shared skill sets, or like, was it funding? How did you guys connect initially? What does that look like?
Yeah, so actually he was one of my best friends. So we have like very different skill sets. So we just agreed that he will do all the lenders, he will do a clean on the lenders, and so we have like a process how to, because we knew that if we want to make POPs work, we need to be like very efficient when it comes to testing. Like super efficient. I know that we need to test 20 offers per day. We need to like test different languages, different geos, because it's very hard to find today a winning offer. And also when you find it, probably if you go too aggressive, you have like 1 week. So the only way to do this, it was to partner with someone that because it's not just about this, that you're fast, but also when things go bad, because at the very beginning you need to have like some not emotional support, but when you're fucked, when everything is down, when you're in numbers, it's much easier if they're like two heads, because it's much easier to brainstorm and all this stuff. So after my second failed attempt in affiliate, I decided that in the third time I will go one on stagnant money, follow alongs and all this stuff, and also I will have a partner, because I know that this will be much easier for me to go through hard times.